Okay, here we're changing the oil pressure sensor for a Dodge 2010 turbo diesel 2500. And so far you can find it on the driver's side. Right underneath right there is where you can find your oil pressure sensor. This piece is the one that you need to take out. This is the one you could get out of your auto parts. And instead of just taking this off, it's much easier to take this whole part off right here, as you can see. And that goes attached with that in there. And I just took this off because I couldn't disconnect this part, which it has this security lock. And it's much easier to unscrew it from here, get the whole thing out as much as you can see right here. Got it out from there. And there it is, your connection. And I just took the little red lock from here. And it's much easier to do it once you loosen the whole part, as I did right there. It's much easier to take that lock off. And then from there, what I did, you gotta use a special socket, which you could get at your auto part as well. A special socket, as you can see, is not like your regular sockets. You might be able to do it, but I recommend just to get this piece, which costs like $10. And then the hard part that I thought it was gonna be hard actually, but it was much easier than what I expected, is that I put this part in there to loosen it up from there, and then I just used a screwdriver, and it won't damage it depending on how tight it is. This one was not as tight as I expected. And then I just hold it here. Well, my buddy helped me, he held it there, and then I just loosened it up from this end, and it just came off pretty easy. And then now it's just to put it back in place, which should be easy. It goes right in there. Try to make it fit where you guys can see it. And that's where it's supposed to go. Right in there, next to the green connection right there. That's where it goes. And then before putting it in here, once you screw it in here, it's best to use this thread sealer that is more recommended. They show some videos where you can use Teflon tape, but it's better to use this. It's more professionally done, and you won't have any, maybe have to replace the part again. So it's best just to buy this, and it's like no more than $10, this piece right here, which is this too. And I was just reading the instructions, and it says not to put it all over the thread except for the last thread, to leave that one, and then just put it in there. Put again the screwdriver in there to tighten it up, and then all you got to do is just put this piece back in, and before that do the connection, put your lock in, and then just put this back in, and that should fix the problem. And we're gonna see in a few minutes if that fixed the oil pressure sensor from the dash from the inside. And remember, it's on the driver's side on the bottom right there. All right, I hope this is helpful for you guys.